Say something that will make my day, 'cause these memories of her won't go away. They're haunting me so I can't sleep. She was a pretty little liar who cut me deep, 'cause she left me here alone. Now my bed feels just like cobblestone. Oh, why did she go? Oh, was I supposed to know?
Hi guys, welcome to this week's weekly. How exciting. It's very nice to see you. I'm actually really happy to be back. I'm actually kind of really enjoying vlogging. I like the kind of instance of it. How are you doing? I hope you're well. Let me know one really good thing about your week this week. One really good thing about my week this week is my garden is starting to look amazing. At the weekend, Lawrence and I spent all weekend outside. I mean, it wasn't very warm, but you soon warmed up from the sheer labour of what we were doing. I don't know what I'm saying. Anyway, we spent the whole weekend outside and it was glorious. I will insert some clips in a second of just some clips we got while we were doing the garden, and it was just great. Like, we really want to make this garden a total haven for us. We want it to have water features and lots of like natural plants that are really good for you, that release good energy. So if you know anything about good energy plants, let me know down below. We're also turning it into a total haven for bees and butterflies, because save the bees. I'm even wearing a bee jumper today. It's from Next. I will link it down below if it's still available. Here's the garden segment now. Okay, Lawrence just moving our poor Christmas tree. I think we're going to have a bonfire. But this is our patio area. So this is everything we are going to be jet washing. Getting it all clean, cleaning the walls, getting rid of all the weeds. There's our herb garden, by the way. There's a bird table. And through this door is our lean-to and our secret garden, as we call it. As you can see, the grass really needs sorting. This section is going to be like meadow flowers, and then all at the back is also going to be meadow flowers come spring and summer.
Sophie's out there doing the karcher. She loves it. So what I was going to do, well, I'm going to do some digging and all of that sort of stuff, chop up the Christmas tree for the bonfire. But before I do that, I thought I'd make her a nice warm drink. And I'm going to probably get a lot of hate for this, probably from Soph. But, you know, I'm going to make Ribena with hot water. Yeah? If you haven't tried it, try it. It's actually really nice. So go use some blackcurrant squash and some water out of the kettle. Nice.
Met her back in 2005. It was her crooked little smile that caught my eye. Time went by and it was her and I.
This is what it looks like now. Okay, so coming outside, this is our courtyard section now in the sun, looking very, very nice. We've got some tables and chairs there. The floor is looking a lot better. We need to get some, Lawrence said something about sand in between here. Got my garden box from Aldi. So this is keeping like our wellies in and some other tools. This is the herb garden. We've got some rosemary, thyme, got loads of plants there. They all need to properly grow though, and I need to add some more because the rosemary is struggling a bit. So I'm going to go to the supermarket and get some more potted herbs for that. So coming through our lean-to, this is like our secret garden. So this is what it's currently looking like. That's where we had the bonfire at the weekend. If I didn't film that, I will insert some pictures now. Lawrence kind of put a step there, so we need to properly do this. There's like a random patch of like soil leading from here to here, so we need to sort this out. Here I've turned all the soil over and got rid of as many weeds as I can, and then we're going to be planting tons of meadow-like flowers here. Lots of flowers that are really good for bees. I've got my little owl in the bush over there. Here's all the grass. The grass was cut, which is great, and so it's looking a little bit better. So coming at the back, actually spent hours doing this. I dug down here and created a separation between what I want to be all grass and this to be all flower bed. So I measured it out properly using rope. I've also planted loads of autumn grass seed here, like grass that will grow in like cold weather and also shade. So hopefully this patch will get all the grass back, just because it's been like, there was just stuff left there, so the grass stopped growing. Like, they've got mud and plants and then a definition with grass. That is what this is going to look like, I promise. All of this is going to be pure colour and lovely smell, meadow type plants that are all good for bees and butterflies. It's just going to smell and look fabulous. So far I'm really happy with kind of the progress we made. I think we made much more progress than what we both thought we would, and we ended up spending like 2 full days out here, and it just felt so therapeutic and so good. The noise of the birds, like, can you hear the birds now? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about spring and summer. So yeah, I'm actually really happy with the garden so far. I can't wait to like spend as much time as possible outside this spring and summer. It's just going to be so great. I also filmed a little Poundland haul, picked up a few bits from Poundland which I decided to film for you guys, which I'll insert now. Okay, we're just gonna sit on the floor because that's how we roll in the weekly vlog. We just live day by day on the edge. I popped into Poundland. First thing I purchased, because I forgot I got these actually, and I'm about to eat them now. I picked up some banana chips because they are uber delicious to eat, and also they're really good for putting on top of a banana loaf. Some Oral-B Complete White, so Max White, Extra White. This is my toothpaste of choice, and I think my teeth are relatively okay. We have a local resident robin, and I'm just so happy about it. Like, the robin fully comes up to my back door. It doesn't come in the house, don't worry, and I don't entice it, so I can feed my robins. But you know what's weird? There's like one type of seed they don't eat, and it's always just that left over in the thing. It's weird. I also got 2 of these. These are the Harpic Active Fresh Pink Blossom bleaches, one for each bathroom. Okay, I picked up not 1, not 2, not 3, okay, actually, I picked up 8 Poundland Twin Peaks. 8 pounds worth of Poundland Twin Peaks. It's like Toblerone, but in my opinion a bit better. It has 0 palm oil in. It's the nicest chocolate, I'm telling you, it's so nice. I've got Honeycomb Crisp, which is my favourite, and I also got the normal one, which is just almond and honey nougat. I picked up some hairbands, and I also picked up, now we're back to present day fully. I kind of wanted to show you, a couple of things I have bought when I went into Aldi, my second home. I found a couple of vegan plant menu dinners in Aldi, which I'm really excited about. I think we might have one at each for dinner tonight and let you know what they're actually like. It's a yellow Thai curry and a red pepper and mango curry. I will probably want this one. Lawrence will probably have this. It's got like lentils in, aubergine, things like that. I mean, I don't know. I feel like it could be a nice, quick, easy dinner. But also, I found these. How exciting. 3 different vegan pizzas, and I'm really excited about them. If you do want to see an Aldi pizza vegan taste test video sometime next week, please let me know and I will upload that, because I think it'll be fun if Florence and I sit down, cook the pizza, taste test it in an actual video. I think it'll be quite funny. The first one I found was the barbecue bacon style pieces and mushrooms, so like bacon and mushroom. Then I found a barbecue jackfruit pizza. which looks like a pulled pork type pizza, and then we have a spicy cauliflower pizza. Now all three look great. I'm not actually vegan, but I do like to try vegan food as often as I can. And yeah, we're going to be eating this for dinner tonight, so stay tuned if you want to know what these are like. I'm also going to read through this and pick something to make for either the weekend or next week. Yeah, I really just want to go crazy in the kitchen this year. I do love cooking, and we cook a lot of our food from scratch, and I feel like I want to experiment with new things. And also cooking is actually really good for my mind. It's really good for my heart. It gives me time to get away from the phone. So yes, anyway, I need to get on with some work, so I will catch up with you guys at dinner time. It's dinner time, and we are having the Aldi Thai curries. I've just got out the bath. I read an article actually yesterday, and it's made me a bit paranoid about being in your PJs so early.
What about it?
Well, just for Saturdays apparently.
Well,
I get my PJs as soon as I've had a bath, and I have a bath at like 6 PM.
only saddos would have an opinion about when it's important to get into pyjamas. It doesn't matter when you get into pyjamas.
Doesn't matter.
Hello.
Hello. For dinner, we are having the Aldi plant menu curries, and very excited. So I think I'm going for this one, yellow Thai curry, and Lawrence is going for this one. Lawrence thinks he's got the better deal, so I'd like to know in the comments which one you would go for, because I think this one looks nicer.
It's dumb, I still check my phone, 'cause I can't move on. Whoa. Why did she go? Whoa.
So I'm starting with the red pepper one because I got jealous. It does look good. That's what happens.
Yeah.
They smell so good, by the way.
Although I don't normally like aubergine, this is alright.
I'd recommend them both.
Yeah?
As if you're a vegan especially, and even if you're not and you're trying to eat vegan meals that are easy, they're both actually really nice. But Thai curry is actually really easy to make from scratch, so I would probably stick to making Thai curry and wouldn't buy this one again. The red pepper mango one, it's really nice, really good.
Yeah, I think the red pepper and mango one is definitely more our cup of tea. But like, both of them are really good. They both taste really fresh. They don't taste like ready meals. They taste like, they taste really good.
Cool.
Why did she go? Why did she go? Whoa. Was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I too naive to think that she'd be the one?
I have just got back from yoga and I'm feeling good. Yoga is so good. I'm so glad I'm back into it. Thank you so much for watching as always. I love you guys so much. I'm planning a lot of taste test type videos at the moment, so if you're missing those, don't you worry, they are coming. Any requests, please leave them down below in the comments. I love you guys so much. I hope you're having a really good week. I hope January is being kind to you. I know January can be a really hard month for me. It's definitely a hard month because I feel like there's a lot of pressure in January, but going back to yoga is helping me with that, and also just like looking after myself, which is a #1 priority this year. I love you guys so much and I will see you again in my next video. Mwah. Bye.
Say something that will make my day, 'cause these memories of her won't go away. They're haunting me so I can't sleep.